Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog I'll be taking you to the Infosys campus, Electronic City, Bangalore. So ये मेरे पेरेंट्स का फर्स्ट टाइम विज़िट हो रहा था, तो वी वेंट इनसाइड फ्रॉम गेट 6 and we took some photos and stuff, and we always need to carry your parents ID proof. It can be Aadhaar or PAN. And after checking हम लोग इंटर हो चुके हैं Infosys through the gate 6. Okay, gate 4 is always closed, so gate 6 will be always in open. You can see how beautiful the view was, and जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ये मेरे पेरेंट्स का फर्स्ट टाइम था. They were so excited, enjoying each and every view. It was so good, silent, nobody were actually rush, और इतना ज़्यादा crowd भी नहीं था. So it was Saturday, and we took some photos here. I know this looks something good, but oh my god. So I took the bunker, and this is the most expensive cafe. I haven't been there, but then since I heard that people saying it's the most expensive cafe. So this is my dad, mom, and my sister, and this is the biggest food court. Okay, you have gym and everything. I'm gonna take you there. And ये जो है, ये metro station है, which is inside the Infosys campus. And yes, I'll be taking you to my office, like my department. So I'm telling my parents that मैं यहाँ पे खड़ के आपको कॉल करती हूँ. As we shift, as our night shift people, night shift employee, I call my parents every day after 12, and they be waiting. So I be like, मैं यहाँ पे खड़ कॉल करती हूँ. So this is the thing, this is my department side. You can see this is so neat, clean and tidy. Oh my god, you can see so beautiful it is, and how huge the campus is. Oh my god. So here you cannot take your parents inside, so I just told them to stay here, and they just wanted to take some photos. So I was like, all right, okay. So we took some photos, and I was really hungry, so I just grabbed some snacks and again photos. So after grabbing food, I went again. So my father wanted to drive a cycle. We decided to take up the cycles, and because he cannot walk, so he just sat and he could just ride the bicycle. So this is the view. You can see this is my sister, and this is me. I'm telling her ki hi bolo Samiha. Her name is Samiha, by the way. She's like hi. Okay, so I'll be taking you forward. So this is the view, guys. ये सारा Infosys के अंदर का है. This is Infosys campus, and my father is taking U-turn because that was not the right way. So this was the biggest court. सारे फूड कोर्ट्स बंद हो गए हैं क्योंकि वो सैटरडे है, and you only have one food court open. I'll be taking you there. You have a mini mart there down the food court, and you have a huge gym, and you also have a salon. Like, ladies and gentlemen, you have salon for both men and women. And this, you can see, you have all the sort of shops and cosmetics too. My mother cannot resist, so I took her to mini shop instead of cosmetics. I mean, like, it's very expensive, so I took her here. ठीक है, everybody was enjoying, and I was like, you can grab whatever you want to, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे कमा रही हूँ, तो खर्च पे अपने आप पे करूँ, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो I was like, you take whatever you want, I'm going to pay for it. And yes, I did, and billing also is done. We went to food court, which is 19th, and this is the only food court that was open on Saturday. You have very limited food, so ज़्यादा उम्मीद मत रखना. तो I took छोले भटूरे and veg biryani. You can see. Okay, खाना ख़त्म हो गया. We are going to work, and we took a dessert at the end of the meal. It was ice, and you see there is an Amul shop. You can go there and grab. I took some falida, and this is my parents eating. Oh my god. Okay, so my father didn't want it, so we had. So my father is very funny person. Okay, उनको बच्चों को देखे तो उनको अलग ही फील होता है. Okay, he feel good. Okay, so he was just teasing some small guy. Oh, look. Like, everything is already recorded in there, and finally everything I'm gonna take you to the playing zone everywhere in the part 2. So guys, please stay tuned. I'll be posting part 2 very soon, and until then, goodbye, take care, fi amanillah, bye bye.